So welcome guys, my name is Anthony from Kenya. We have created a chat box by the name Farming Plus. This is our AI chat box for the farmers and these are our members. So here we go. So you that a small farmer sold in Africa like access to affordable, accessible technology to improve crop yield and markets. This affects over 200 million farmers costing low yield of around 1.5 to 2 tons per hectare versus 5.5 per hectare globally, and food insecurity while limiting the access due to reliance on middlemen. In our case, we have Peter Mwangi, a 38-year-old male smallholder farmer growing maize and beans in rural Nyeri, part of Kenya, with a secondary school education and a seasonal income of 15,000 to 30,000 per month. Peter relies on his smartphone for calls, WhatsApp, and M-Pesa to transact money, and is part of the local cooperative, but he struggles to access affordable agricultural expertise due to distance and cost, losing up to a quarter of his crop yield to the pest and poor techniques. Second, we have a tech gap and its effects on Africa's smallholders with high-tech access achieve average of around 2,500 kilogram per hectare and an income of 3,000 a year, while those with low tech average a total of 800k per 900 per year as of the study in 2019. On mechanization, only 25% of smallholder farmers in Sub-Saharan Africa are engaging in agricultural mechanization, compared to 75% in North America per the study of 2020. Going to our slide, farmers' challenges in Cameroon. In Cameroon, around 41.2% of the farmers cite lack of capital as their primary challenges, followed by 11.6% facing price fluctuation, according to the recent agriculture study. Proposed solution: we have an AI-powered mobile chat box delivering a real-life time farming advice with weather forecast, marketing, price insight, and offline functionality tailored for smallholders. So this solution features a widespread of basic smartphone, over 50% precision in rural Africa, offers a voice-based interaction to overcome literacy barriers, and build on a success pilot, e.g. 15% of the youth gains in Kenya, with offline access addressing about 30% connectivity gap to ensure reliability and broad impact. These are a wireframe. You log in, they will come with our favorite welcoming message. Then I ask for anything that you want. You put in your profile information. You can join the community if you want, but you have a choice not to, and you have for back and to a key so that you can select when you want to come back. You want to come to the previous page. These are points from the test user. Our test users found that the navigation is confusing and needs clear flow indicators or grouped icon to move between screens and like the dashboard and details. My users are also concerned about the lack of clarity on how to input or share data, and needs a more defined process. Our next slide is recommendation based on the feedback. We will add a search function, integrate local language options, and improve color consistency to enhance user accessibility and experience based on test users' input. Also, we will include clear navigation bars on every page and simplify the dashboard by grouping features to make it easier and less overwhelming for new users, adding the addressing navigation usability. Let's our scale chatbot. We want to scale to about 150,000 users across the 10 African countries by March 2026, adding a multilingual support and partnership with local telecoms for offline data synchronization. We will launch pilot training program with about 5,000 farmers to boost adoption. By tackling the tech gap for 200 million farmers, this will address food insecurity and poverty. A solution that could see a rise in will see raise yield by 20 to 20, by 15 to 20%, and an income by 10%. The farmers transforming the livelihood and sustainability. Guys, friends, that our audience, that's our presentation for the chat box. Thank you.